What happens when a woman realizes she lost a man who was truly irreplaceable? Not just any man, but a man of integrity, strength, and unwavering discipline. At first, she doesn't notice. She moves on, convinced she made the right decision. Maybe she even feels relieved, excited for the unknown, thinking the grass is greener somewhere else. But then, something shifts. Silence, absence, a void she never expected. You see, most men react in predictable ways, begging, pleading, sending long paragraphs searching for answers, hoping for another chance. They drown themselves in sorrow, unable to accept the reality of loss. But a Stoic man, he does the opposite. He doesn't chase. He doesn't beg. He doesn't even ask why. He understands one simple truth. Her decision is her own, and he refuses to let it define him. At first, she thinks his silence is weakness. She assumes he's suffering, waiting in the shadows for her to come back. But as time passes, doubt creeps in. Why hasn't he reached out? Why does he seem unaffected? Why does it feel like he's thriving without her? That's when the fear sets in. That's when she realizes she was never his weakness. She was simply a chapter in his story, and now he's writing a new one. Because a real man doesn't lose himself over a temporary loss. He refocuses, he rebuilds, he elevates. He becomes the kind of man she never thought he could be, the man she always feared he would become without her. And when she finally realizes what she threw away, it's already too late. This is the power of emotional control. This is the foundation of true strength. When a man masters himself, he becomes untouchable. Pain is temporary, but power is eternal. Like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications if you're ready to master your emotions and take back control. And comment below. Pain is temporary, power is eternal. Now, let's begin. Number 1. The initial pain, heartbreak, and betrayal. At first, the pain is unbearable. It's not just the loss. It's the betrayal, the realization that someone you gave your heart to walked away as if you meant nothing. It's the gut-wrenching feeling of investing your time, energy, and love into someone who discarded you without hesitation. The sleepless nights, the unanswered questions, the overwhelming emptiness, it all hits like a storm you never saw coming. You replay every moment, analyzing every word, wondering where it all went wrong. But no answer will ever be enough. This is where most men fall apart. They drown in their emotions, seeking comfort in all the wrong places. Some try to win her back, lowering themselves to a position of weakness. Others spiral into self-destruction, drinking, isolating themselves, or jumping into meaningless flings, hoping to fill the void she left behind. But all of these are illusions. All of these are traps. Because the truth is, none of it will bring her back. None of it will heal you. A Stoic man, he sees this pain for what it really is, a test, a chance to rise above what most men cannot. He doesn't resist the pain, nor does he let it consume him. He acknowledges it, accepts it, and then uses it as fuel. Because pain is the greatest teacher, but only for those who are willing to learn. You must understand, she is not coming back. And even if she does, it won't be for the reasons you want. A woman does not regret leaving a man who stays broken. She regrets losing a man who transforms because of it. The man she left behind must die, and in his place, a stronger, colder, more powerful version must emerge. This is the moment where you either break or you become unbreakable. The pain you feel now is not the end. It is the beginning of your rebirth. Let the weak grieve. Let the ordinary beg for closure. But you will evolve. Like this video, subscribe and comment below. I master my emotions. They do not master me. Number 2. The shift, the decision to let go. There comes a moment when the pain no longer controls you, when the sleepless nights, the constant overthinking, and the emotional weight begin to fade. Not because she reached out, not because you found closure, but because you finally understand the truth. She made her choice, and now it's time for you to make yours. This is the turning point, the moment where you stop resisting reality and start embracing it. The weak man stays trapped in the past, reliving memories that no longer serve him. He fights against what has already happened, hoping for a different outcome, refusing to accept that it's over. But a stoic man, he lets go. Not for her, not to prove a point, but for himself. Because the truth is, clinging to someone who left you is the greatest betrayal to yourself. You cannot force someone to see your worth. You cannot convince someone to love you. And the harder you try, the more power you give them. The moment you release the need for validation, the need for answers, the need for her, you become free. This is the part she never expected. She thought you would chase. She thought you would linger in her shadow, waiting for her to reconsider. But instead, you disappear, not just physically, but emotionally. You remove her from your thoughts, your actions, your energy, and suddenly the power shifts. The moment you stop needing her is the moment she starts noticing your absence. This is the decision that separates the weak from the strong. A real man doesn't dwell on the past, he builds his future. And when you make the decision to let go, you step into a new version of yourself, one that no longer waits, no longer hopes, no longer breaks. Like this video, subscribe and comment below. I do not chase, I attract. Number 3. The power of silence. Why going ghost is the ultimate revenge. Silence is a weapon. Most men don't understand this. They think the only way to be heard is to talk, to explain, to beg for closure. But the truth is, nothing is louder than complete silence. When you stop reacting, stop reaching out, stop proving your worth, you force her to sit with her own decisions, and that is more powerful than any words you could ever say. At first, she won't notice. She'll assume you're just playing a game, waiting for the right moment to come crawling back. But as the days turn into weeks, as your name stops appearing on her phone, as your absence becomes undeniable, something shifts. Doubt creeps in. The certainty she once had begins to crack. She starts to wonder, why hasn't he reached out? Why does he seem fine? Did I misjudge him? You see, when you stay silent, you disrupt her expectations. She expected emotion, reaction, desperation, but instead she's met with nothing. That nothingness becomes an echo in her mind, and the longer you remain silent, the louder it becomes. Because the truth is, people only realize the value of something when it's no longer available to them. But this isn't about revenge. This isn't about making her regret her decision. This is about taking back your power. You are no longer playing her game. You are no longer waiting in the background, hoping for her validation. You are in control now, not of her, but of yourself. And that's all that truly matters. Going silent isn't weakness. It isn't surrender. It's mastery. It's the mark of a man who knows his worth, a man who refuses to be a prisoner to his emotions. She may have left, but she will never forget the man who never begged for her return. Like this video, subscribe and comment below. My silence speaks volumes. Number 4. The glow up. Becoming the best version of yourself. She expected you to crumble. She thought you would spiral, stuck in the past, replaying memories while she moved on without hesitation. But what she never considered, what she never could have predicted, is that losing her was the best thing that ever happened to you. Because while she was busy seeking distractions, you were busy transforming. This is where most men fail. They waste their time trying to prove their worth to someone who no longer values it. But a real man, he doesn't prove anything. He improves everything: his mind, his body, his purpose. He takes all that energy he once poured into her and redirects it into himself. The gym becomes his therapy. His body becomes a testament to his discipline. His finances grow, his ambitions sharpen, his social presence expands. He steps into a version of himself that no longer mourns the past, but dominates the future. And while you rise, she watches from the sidelines. Maybe she hears about your success through mutual friends. Maybe she stumbles upon a picture of you looking sharper, stronger, more confident than ever. And that's when reality sets in. You were not destroyed by the breakup. You were reborn by it. This is the moment where you realize she was never the prize. You were. The only difference now is that you finally see it. And nothing is more attractive, nothing is more powerful than a man who has mastered himself. Let this be your motivation, not to get her back, but to make sure you never become the man who would have wanted her back. Because the real glow-up isn't just about looking better, it's about becoming untouchable. Like this video, subscribe and comment below. I build myself for myself. Number 5. The awakening, her realization of your absence. At first, she didn't think twice about leaving. She was certain she could replace you, convinced she was making the right decision. Maybe she even felt relieved, excited for what she thought was a better future without you. But as time passes, a strange feeling starts creeping in, one she never expected: doubt. She checks her phone, scrolling through old messages, but there's nothing new from you. She glances at her notifications, expecting to see your name, but it never appears. Days turn into weeks, and then it hits her. You never chased her, you never begged, you disappeared. And that absence, it's heavier than she thought. The silence she once ignored now screams louder than any words you could have spoken. Because here's the truth: people don't value what they think they can always return to. The moment you stopped making yourself available, you became valuable. She starts to wonder, was she wrong? Did she misjudge you? She sees your glow-up, hears about your success, notices that you've moved forward without hesitation, and that's when it happens. Regret begins to take root. She thought leaving you was power, but now she realizes the real power was always in your hands. You weren't the one who lost something, she was. And the best part? You no longer care. That version of you, the one who wanted her back, doesn't exist anymore. You have evolved past her. This is the awakening she never expected. The moment where she understands, you were not a man to be replaced. You were the man she should have held on to, and now she's just another spectator in your journey. Like this video, subscribe and comment below. She lost me, not the other way around. Number 6. The test, when she comes back. And then, just when you've moved on, just when you've built yourself into the man you were always meant to be, she comes back. It might be subtle at first. A random text, a comment on your post, a like on an old picture. Maybe she asks a mutual friend about you, hoping word will reach you. She'll act like it's casual, like she's just checking in. But you and I both know the truth. She's testing the waters. She thought you would always be there, a safety net, a backup plan. But now that you've proven her wrong, now that you've become untouchable, she wants a piece of what she threw away. The same man she left behind is now the man she suddenly desires. But here's the question: will you let her back in? Most men fail this test. They fall for the illusion, thinking she finally realized their worth. But a stoic man, he sees the game for what it is. He doesn't react. He doesn't fall into old habits. He doesn't seek validation from someone who once doubted his value. Because the truth is, if she truly saw your worth, she would have never left in the first place. You owe her nothing, no explanation, no second chances, no place in the life you've rebuilt. The moment you let her back in, you send a message that you were always waiting. But when you remain indifferent, when you stay focused on your purpose, you solidify the lesson. Losing you was her mistake, not yours. This is the final test of self-control, the last step in mastering yourself. She may come back, but the real power is knowing you don't need her to. Like this video, subscribe and comment below. I am not an option, I am the prize. Number 7. The psychological flip when she regrets leaving. At first, she was convinced she made the right choice. She thought she could do better, that there was something greater waiting for her. But now, after seeing the man you've become, she realizes she was wrong. The regret doesn't hit all at once. It creeps in slowly, like a shadow following her, growing darker with every reminder of you. She sees your success. She hears about your progress. She notices the way others admire you, how women who never looked twice before are now drawn to you. And that's when it clicks. She didn't leave a weak man. She left a man who was still evolving, and now he's beyond her reach. Regret is a powerful thing. It's not just about missing someone, it's about realizing you made a mistake that can't be undone. She replays the moments she took for granted, the loyalty she overlooked, the future she could have had. But the worst part? You don't care anymore. This is the psychological flip she never saw coming. The moment she wants you back the most is the moment you no longer need her. And nothing is more attractive than a man who is completely, undeniably self-sufficient. She thought leaving would make you weak, but instead it turned you into the strongest version of yourself. And now, she is the one who suffers in silence. This is why you never chase, why you never beg, because one day, the same woman who walked away will be the one watching from a distance, wishing she had stayed. Like this video, subscribe and comment below. I am free. I am untouchable. Number 8. The true victory. Winning without seeking revenge. Most men waste their energy trying to prove a point. They want her to see their success, to regret leaving, to feel the pain they once felt. But a Stoic man, he doesn't care. His victory isn't in making her suffer. It's in making himself so powerful that her absence becomes irrelevant. The true win isn't revenge. It isn't proving her wrong. It's reaching a level where her opinion, her regrets, her existence no longer affect you. She could apologize, she could beg, she could break down in tears, and it wouldn't change a thing. Because your life is no longer about her, it's about you. This is where most men fail. They stay emotionally tied to the past, still seeking validation, still hoping for closure. But the strongest man, the man she truly regrets losing, is the one who moved on without looking back. He doesn't hold grudges, he doesn't carry bitterness, he just rises. You don't win by getting her back, you win by not needing her back. You win by being so focused on your purpose, your growth, your evolution, that her regrets are nothing more than background noise. She lost a real man, and now she has to live with that truth. But you've already moved forward. This is the moment where you stop thinking about her altogether, where your mind is so locked into your future that the past no longer exists, and that is the ultimate power. Like this video, subscribe and comment below. I choose peace over pettiness. Number 9. The final message, living unapologetically stoic. This is where the journey comes full circle. You started in pain, drowning in the weight of loss, searching for answers that would never come. But now, you are no longer the same man. You have built yourself. You have mastered your emotions. You have become the type of man who is in control.